guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a one palette challenge video, and basically what that means is I'm using every single shade that is in my palette, and of course I took it upon myself to choose the most difficult palette that I have in my collection, and that is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which has 35 different shades. So I am going to use every single shade that I have here and somehow create a eye look. Is it going to be a good one? We shall see. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I try to upload a new video every single week. So without further ado, the one palette challenge. So first off, this palette has every color under the sun except for just a matte white. So I went ahead and primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I just set it down with some RCMA No Color Powder. So first I'm going to dip into this deep red shimmery color on the fluffy brush and my Morphe brush set, and I'm going to take it like right underneath my brow bone and just start kind of buffing that in. Okay, this isn't showing up with the fluffy brush, so I'm gonna take this shader, this flat shader brush here, and the Morphe brush set. Gonna go back into that red and just kind of pat down the color there. I think that will make it show up a little more. And I'm gonna try winging it out a little. So I think what I'm gonna go for here is a double wing cut crease, which is honestly, it's challenging all in itself. And on top of that, trying to use every single color in this palette on this little bit of eye space, and on top of that, trying to cut my crease is going to be hard, but let's see. Mama didn't raise no quitter. So that red, that's basically all it's going to show up, I think. So right after that, I'm going back into that fluffy brush and going into the matte red right above it. This can either go one of two ways. Look really, really nice and cool, or just look like a complete disaster. My game plan here is to not use too much of the color, since I'm doing kind of like a rainbow train down here and then a rainbow wing down here and then the rainbow under eye. It's gonna be hard to fit all those colors onto the little eye space I have. So next up, I'm going to take this shimmery orange, and I'm using the same brush just because it also helps with the blending. Since these colors are transitioning one into the other, I think it makes a kind of a gradient. After that, I'm taking the matte orange right underneath it. Right after that, I'm going to take the yellow right above that shimmery orange. Both of these yellows look the exact same, but I think one is darker than the other. Then I'm going in with the other yellow. I think what I'm going to do is bring it all the way down right to the inner corner. So right after that yellow, I'm taking this like chartreusey color that's right next to that, the darker yellow that we used. So you can see that it's this kind of gradient look. Next up, I'm going to take the kind of yellow green that's right underneath it. Okay, I think I have space for one more color, and I think I'm going to go into that limey green that's right next to that chartreuse. Same on on the shader brush and just bring it in all the way here. So that's it for the kind of first wing here. Remember, I'm going to cut the crease so it's going to look a lot cleaner. And yeah, I think I like that so far. I don't know how I'm going to fit every other color onto this. I barely made a dent in this palette. Alright, moving on. I'm going to bring that one like really light green that's underneath that limeish green. I'm gonna put this into my inner corner. Just like pop it there. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna take my concealer again, and I'm gonna take this little concealer brush right here and start drawing in the concealer. Now my trick for cut creases too is that I try to open my eye. I look all the way down kind of thing, and it tells me like right where I should cut my crease. So like right there. So now I'm going to start with the winged color, like rainbow winged liner that is going to create that double wing effect. And I'm going to now take this bright dark green, if that makes sense. I'm going to start into the inner corner and start placing the pigment there and start creating that wing. Next, I'm going to take that kind of sparkly green. That's not the one directly below it, but it's below and to the right of it. Then I'm going to take this teal green color that's right next to the first green that we started our liner with. Then I'm going to be taking the other teal, but it's more blue. Next, I'm going to be taking the sparkly blue that's right underneath that sky blue. I think the sky blue is going to be the last of the light blues that I use. And I'm just going to place it right after that teal blue. And then dip into that sky blue. And now I'm going into like the darker indigos. I haven't even touched the pinks. I don't know how this is all gonna fit in my eye. My mistake here was creating so much negative space and such little eye area. Big mistake. Alright, so we're just gonna do the best with what we got here and go into this bluish purple sparkly shade. Is this an indigo? What is indigo really? And we're just gonna start creating our wing. Then right after that, I'm taking the color right next to it. It's kind of like a navy-ish blue, and kind of continuing that wing. Okay, this wing is something. And now we're going into that color directly below it, and then just keep extending that wing. We kind of want that red and blue to kind of meet, like right there. So I'm going to put one more color. It's going to be that one navy midnight blue right below it. So now we've got this kind of train of blue So now we're going to start the bottom lash line and try to fit in all the rest of the purples and the pinks down there. So next we're going to take this little dense brush right here. I'm going to start dipping into this deep purple. It's like an eggplant purple. And I'm going to start going in with it into my outermost corner. That's actually a really pretty purple. And since I don't have that much space, that's where I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to continue with the purple right underneath it. That's kind of sparkly. Then I'm going to go into this purple right at the top corner. This kind of Barney purple. That's the perfect purple to start transitioning into pinks. So next I'm going to take this deep magenta shade. Then the pinks are actually kind of in light to dark order. So I'm just going to go from dark to light with this. So I'm going to go right above that magenta shade into that first vibrant pink. Then I'm going into that first column bottom pink. So next I'm going in with that pink right above that. And I have 2 more pinks to go and not very much space left. But I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna go in with the pink right above that and go here. And then right here at the corner, I'm gonna go with that lightest pink. So now I have these 2 kind of coppery and a gold shade that I was really worried about because I didn't know what to do with them. And then these 3 long shades at the bottom, which I think I know what I want to do with them. I'm gonna start with those. So the lightest white, there's like a light white, like just a plain white, and then this kind of white with a greenish tinge to it, then the black in the middle. So the plain white, the whitest white, I'm going to use as a highlight here. I think it's going to show up better once I do the rest of my face, so I might just save that for then. And the one with the kind of greenish tinge, I'm going to use as my brow bone highlight. Now the black, I'm going to wipe off the brow brush. So what I think I want to do with the black is tight line my eyes, the top, to kind of make those lashes look darker at the roots. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Now these 2 gold shades are the last 2 colors I need. I think I'm gonna use them as liner. Okay, I'm gonna dip into both. And then I'm going to go into my waterline here. This totally counts. Ooh, that is pretty. So I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I kind of made the lower lash line like this nice coppery kind of shade. It's actually really pretty. Oh my god. I used all the colors. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish the other eye, beautify this a little bit. I think I'm gonna make the wing a little thicker, and then I'll do the rest of my face and come right back. Like that. So this is the completed look, guys. I ended up putting on the rest of my face makeup. I completed the other eye, and then I did some beautifying too, where I thickened up the wing a little just so the colors could appear a bit more vibrantly. And I popped on some falsies. The falsies I ended up popping on were the House of lashes in the style Cecile. And honestly guys, I really like this look. I've impressed myself this time. Let me know if there's any other challenges you guys want me to do. This was actually really fun and it let me flex my creativity muscle. Anyway, this completes the video, guys. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Was I overzealous? Maybe. Does it make for a okay video? Maybe. We're going to start the bottom lash line. Can I like stop spitting? Thanks. It let me flex my creativity muscle. There's like hair in my juice. Hair in my juice. Juice in my hair. Glue? Hair in my glue? Glue in my hair. Eh.